Good morning, students. I hope you are watching the videos regularly and doing the homework. So last time we have studied about the means of transmission, that is the direct and indirect transmission. So today we will study about the organ specific and tissue specific manifestation. So, human body has a number of organs, tissues and systems. Every pathogen has developed adaptation to infect a particular organ, tissue or system. In some cases, the infected organ or tissue specificity depends upon the portal of entry. Portal of entry means point of entry from where the microorganism enter inside our body, while in others it is not so. Pathogenicity or the severity of the harm depends upon the tissue destroyed and the release of toxin by the parasites. Means how much the severity of the disease will be there, it depends upon the toxins released by the pathogen that enters inside our body. Now next is the portal related organ and tissue specific. Portal related means the point of entry from where they enter. So the microorganism enter the body through various routes. If they enter through the nose, they are likely to go into the lungs and causes respiratory disorder like the tuberculosis or pneumonia. So now I think you must be able to understood that or understand the COVID-19 situation, why we wear the mask nowadays, because this COVID-19 enter in our body either through the mouth or through the nose. So when it enter through the nose, it goes to the lungs and infect us and causes the respiratory disorder. That is why mask is necessary to wear every time, so that whenever you are outside the home or whenever you are talking to the other person, you need to wear the mask, because this mask protect your nose or protect the mouth from the entry of the pathogens, that is the COVID-19. And you must be knowing every day in the TV channels or the news, it is being showing fever, cough, sneeze is the symptom of this COVID-19, because this enter to the through the nose to the lungs, and when it enter the lungs, definitely it will infect the lungs and it will cause the respiratory disorder. Now next example is that if they enter through the mouth, then they pass into the digestive tract and may cause the disease like the typhoid, diarrhea, helminthic infection, etc. Another example is that few microbes are there like the viruses which reach the liver and causes the jaundice. So this reach to the liver and there it causes the jaundice. So this is the portal related organ and tissue specificity, means the point of entry. Now see here, the small droplet when a person sneezes, see here it evaporate to form a droplet nuclei in this zone. See, this is the droplet nuclei in this zone. So if a person, those who is infected person is not wearing the mask and a person standing here in this nuclei zone, will definitely will have the effect of this sneeze, because whenever the infected person sneeze, it is sneeze contain the small microbes, and a person who is standing here and not wearing the mask will get infected by this patient. Okay, now few of the droplets nuclei carried in air current for the minute for the minutes to hours, means this remain in the air for minutes or hour. If the ventilation is there, it goes down from there. Next is that few heavy droplets are there that goes down here in between the 2 meter. These are the large droplets settle to ground in a few seconds. So it will settle into the ground in few seconds. See here, these goes means the few droplets will go beyond the 2 meter, also few will go to the 4 meter. Now I think it will be clear to you why mask is necessary and 2 गज की दूरी है जरूरी. Now I think you must understood this, that why whenever you are ringing, the Amitabh Bachchan is there to tell you that 2 गज की दूरी है जरूरी. Why it is being there? Because see here, this distance will, or person standing here will must have the disease, because if the person is not wearing the mask, this much area get infected. But if a person is standing beyond here, even though not wearing the mask, will have the least chance of getting the infection. Now next is the non-portal organ and tissue specific. So non-portal organ means that no specific point of entry is there. For example, the malaria causing organism like the plasmodium, they enter the blood, goes to the liver to multiply, and then passes into the red blood cell. So here no point of entry is, means particular point of entry is not been there. Similarly, viruses which causes the brain fever, that also entered through the mosquito bite in blood, and then it reaches to the brain. Next example is there like elephantiasis, that is the filaria worm, that entered through the mosquito bite in the blood and reaches the lymphatic vessel. HIV, that is the AIDS, the HIV is the virus that causes the AIDS, that enter the body through the sexual contact and then spread to the lymph node all over the body. So this is the non-portal organ and tissue specific. So I think you must have understood the difference between the portal related organ and tissue specificity, and another is the non-portal organ and tissue specificity. So this is the main difference. I hope you must have understood. So write down the homework to draw the diagram which I have shown you, and write about the portal and non-portal organ and tissue specific. Thank you.